What's up, everybody? This is Danny with A Garage Apart. Welcome to another quick episode of What is Up With That? So today, I want to know, paper straws, what is up with that? Exactly. Look at this. Useless. Oh my gosh. This is the worst. Look at this. I'm trying to put it back in my drink. What is that? What is this? I've had this drink for 6 minutes. It's already destroyed. And I got coffee on my car. You cannot tell me that the environment and the planet are going to shit because of straws. And let's just take a look at this. I just got a coffee, right? Oh, paper saving the world. What is the rest of it made out of? Plastic. What's up with that?